not doing that. Gary is not doing that. Gary is looking bearish. It's not looking bullish, unfortunately. It looks bearish to me. Hold on, let me see. Let me reevaluate. Let's see. Look at the candles. Let me have a look at these candles now. Candles don't lie. So let's have a look at the candles. Let's have a look and see what they're saying. So this is the monthly candle. Have a look at the 3 monthly candle. Yeah, so this is the 3 monthly candle. It's hard to buy Gary because you're still, look at this. This is all red candles. You're still going. The price is still going down. Yeah. So you've got buying tails. You've got selling tails. There's a lot of indecision here. You've got lots of red volume. I mean, that's not crazy bearish because you've got volume and the price is still in the same level. Okay, so that's not good bad. Look, this is the 2-month candle. That's a reversal pattern. Okay, so that's not bad either. Okay, so maybe there is some hope. Let me see. How far could this go? I just don't like this head and shoulders pattern that's forming. You've got this point of control above us. All right. So I think this is the biggest problem with Gary right now. Right. I'll explain. Okay. So when you do a volume range pull on the whole range, okay, before I had the point of control down here, and now the point of control has moved to the highs of this range. So this high volume node and this point of control have flipped. Okay. So that's actually very bearish. So even though there's signs of reversal on the higher time frame candles, the volume now being put in the highs of this range is actually very bearish, because what you're experiencing is people selling in the highs of this range. So there's a lot of selling going on, right? And so what you need to happen for this to become bullish is you either need the point of control to go back into the low part of the range, which requires volume at the lows, or you need the price to go up and come back down and find support on the point of control. Yeah. So right now the price is underneath the point of control. So anyone buying Gary now is buying into volume resistance, and this is the highest volume node on the overall range of this token, going back to the beginning of when it was launched on OKX. So you wouldn't buy here because you'd be buying into resistance. Yeah, resistance is only a few percent higher. It's only 5 and 6% higher. That's resistance. This red line is resistance. Okay, what you need is you need the price to go above this red line, and then you need a back test, and you need to see the resistance hold. So you're buying on support. You don't buy into resistance, you buy on support. If anything, you're selling into resistance, you're not buying into resistance. Okay, so even though I can see some signs of bullishness, this is actually quite bearish, right? And for me, volume isn't the most important indicator. And so what I would really prefer, like me, if I was looking to buy this token, I would either want to see this point of control flipped into support. That would require the price to go up and then come back down and find support. That's where I would buy. And or I'd go up, find resistance, and head back down to this high volume node. That would be the next best place to buy, this high volume node at about $0.023 or 2.3 cents. Yeah, this is going to be the best place to buy. Or you want to see that point of control flipped into support. I actually wouldn't mind if the price went down. Honestly, I don't think it's a good idea to buy this right now. Yeah, I would want the price to go down. Maybe I'll buy some. If the price goes down, maybe I'll buy some. That would bring us to the 50% mark on this fib retracement. Honestly, I wouldn't even mind if the price went even a bit lower to here. That would be better. This would be much better. Okay, but it may not happen because you've got a high volume node right there. So probably that would be a good entry to start buying this token, or you want to see the point of control flipped into support. That's it. Those are the trades. And actually, even though there are some bullish candles forming, I'm not really interested in this because what the hell? Because we're into resistance. You don't buy when you're into resistance. You buy on support. If you can't understand that concept, you should not be in this game. Yeah, you should not even bother. Yeah, you can't be buying into resistance. You should be buying on support. If you buy into resistance, you should literally be bankrupt and you should just quit life. Right? You just got to get that into your head straight away. When you're into resistance, don't buy. Right? That's Gary. BTC setting soon.